Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll all the way down and click on security and privacy. Then tap on location services and click on this switcher next to access my location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!